Recently, I shared a post on LinkedIn about the Wellington Doctoral Scholarship 2026 in the New Zealand, and it received over 48,000 impressions. Many professionals reached out asking, how do we apply? How do we contact supervisor? What exactly is the process? So in this video, I'll walk you through the full application process step by step, practically and strategically. If you are serious about pursuing a fully funded PhD in New Zealand, watch this carefully.
This is the official Wellington Doctoral Scholarship page at Victoria University of Wellington. Here you can see $32,000 stipend annually plus tuition fees. Award for international and domestic. Number offered approximately 110 per year. And funding is up to 3 years. Application runs in March, July, and November. Always rely on the official university website for accurate details.
The first and the most important step is finding a supervisor. Many applicants fail because they skip this step or approach it incorrectly. Your research idea must align with the faculty member's expertise.
Here, you can search academics by discipline. Click on their profiles. Read their research interests carefully. Do not email randomly. Make sure your topic aligns with the ongoing research.
When emailing a supervisor, keep it short and professional. Include your academic background, your research interests, 2 to 3 sentences, why their research aligns with yours. Ask if they are accepting PhD students. Avoid generic messages like, I want to study in your university. That signals lack of preparation. Your research proposal is the core of your application. It should include title, background, research problem, gap in literature, objectives, proposed methodology, expected contribution. Clarity matters more than length. The scholarship committee is assessing research potential.
After preparing your proposal and identify a supervisor, apply through the official PhD portal. You will upload your transcripts, certificates, CV, research proposal, referee details.
The scholarship is awarded based on academic merit, research potential, strength of proposal, referee reports. There are 3 selection rounds each year. Plan ahead, don't apply at the last minute. Common mistakes I see: sending copy-paste email, weak proposals, not checking eligibility, poor prepared documents, applying without contacting the supervisor. Preparation increase your chances. If you are serious about applying for Wellington Doctoral Scholarships 2026, start preparing now. Find the right supervisor. Refine your research idea. Strengthen your academic profile. I will also include a detailed written guide in the description below. If you need help structuring your proposal or supervisor email, comment below. Subscribe for more strategic PhD and scholarship guidance. Your research career deserves proper preparation.